I got tired of explaining this over and over again, so I just made a video. So, how to install the Jester mod. I'm assuming you already downloaded it from the link you got from me or wherever. Step 1 is to open up your Steam library. Go over to Among Us. Scroll down to Manage, browse local files. In the address bar, you'll copy the folder name, and then you'll go to where you downloaded the zip file for the Jester mod. You'll extract it to the file location that you just copied, and you'll click extract, and it will extract the Jester mod into the file. And that's how you install the Jester mod. It now has all of these additional files. In order to remove the Jester mod, well, if you want to play normal Among Us, just rename winhttp.dll to like winhttp2.dll, and that'll let you play Among Us normally. To go back to playing the Jester mod, just change it back to winhttp.dll. If you already have the Jester mod installed and you need to update it in the future, just delete all the files except for amongus.exe. Then head over to Among Us, Properties, Local Files, Verify Integrity of Game Files. It'll say files were failed to validate and will be reacquired, and then it'll just automatically reinstall all of Among Us that you need. Then just go back and reinstall the Jester mod. And that's it.